Good afternoon. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Ali Samuel, and today we are going to talk about Google Forms. Google Forms. So, when I'm talking about Google Forms, what comes into your mind? So, basically, here we are going to focus on, like, for example, you want to conduct a survey, but you can't reach out to people directly. So, these Google Forms enables you to give out the things that you want, the objectives of your survey, and the people answer it. So that is basically about Google Forms. So let us go into it so we can understand it practically. So giving like a scenario, if you want to conduct a survey about certain people and you want to know people's opinions, what do you do? That is basically it. So you come here on Google Forms here, as you can see, then you click. After clicking here, you have the templates, as you can see the templates, or you can create your own. So let me first give like that. So here you put your title and the description. So here there are what? There are options. There are options here. So now with these ones, this required, those are the essential. If you want something that is very essential, so if you want something very essential that those people doing your survey, the thing must not miss out, what do? You put here, you make it required, so somebody will not submit his or her form if he has not done what? If he has not filled the required option. So the responses are here. This is published after formulating your Google form. Then if you want to publish from here, this is when you want to create a link. So this one is when you want to create a link, and this way when you want to share with certain people. So basically that is about Google Forms. So when do we apply these Google Forms? As earlier I've told you that you apply these Google Forms, for example, if you are conducting a survey. Now let us first assume you want to get people's opinion maybe on male circumcision. So this survey is going to help you, because after sharing your link or sharing to certain people, any person with that link is going to be able to answer that. For example, if your title is all about people's opinion, like people's opinion on male circumcision, so any person who has that link or any person whom you have shared to is going to have that ability to answer. And as I told you, where you click on the required, that is when you make it essential. So if you want to add another question, you put like the opinion of people after. If you want to make it multiple, or if you want it to make it a paragraph or short answer, you put. So if my second question is a paragraph, then if I want to add another question, then like that afterwards, then you publish it. Or if you want to share it in the group, then you create a link. Or if you want to share to certain specific people, you do what? You share. So even here, these Google Forms also have the restrictions. For example, if you don't want certain person, for example, you have shared your link in the group, but you don't want certain people to answer it, you have that ability to restrict those members. You just type their name, then you do what? You share. So for example, here, after sharing here, so here restricted, this is where restriction comes in. So if you want to restrict any person here, you are going to have that ability to restrict people. So only people with access can open with the link. So if you have refused somebody, restricted somebody, for example, in a WhatsApp group, even though he has a link, but he's not going to be able So thank you very much. If it is your first time to watch my videos, please empower you to subscribe, share and comment. Thank you very much.